Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open the foil and inspect for rips because a torn blanket loses most reflective benefit. Once done, strip wet layers, damp fabric steals heat, then pat skin dry quickly to prevent cooling. Make sure to position the person for safety, upright if conscious and breathing well, supine if not. You want the reflective side facing inwards toward the body to trap radiant heat. This is the first and most important action to arrest heat loss. Once the blanket is positioned, fold it over the torso and limbs so the shiny side faces the body. This reflects up to 90% of radiated heat back. Make sure overlaps cover gaps by a few inches. You can tape or tie edges to stop wind from slipping under. You also need to avoid binding too tightly, preserve circulation, and periodically check fingers and toes for warmth and color. These middle steps create an insulated microclimate that stabilizes core temperature while you plan next moves. To finish, cover the wrapped person with dry layers or place a pad underneath to stop conductive heat loss. This completes the insulation system. You should monitor breathing, pulse, and mental status. Rewarm slowly if severe hypothermia is suspected, because aggressive warming can cause shock. If you notice moisture or heavy condensation inside, slightly vent to avoid chilling from evaporative cooling and replace the blanket if torn or waterlogged. If circulation worsens,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.